Hey everyone! If your WhatsApp account in review message keeps showing up, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through what causes this issue and a few simple things you can do to help get your account back. Just follow each step carefully. Now, before we start fixing the issue, it's important to understand why it happens. When your WhatsApp says account in review, it usually means WhatsApp is checking your account activity to make sure it follows their terms of service. This isn't always a bug, and it doesn't necessarily mean your account has been permanently banned. In most cases, WhatsApp simply needs some time to review your account. You'll usually see a message saying that your account activity and device information are being checked, and that you'll typically receive an update within 24 hours. During this time, all you can do is wait while WhatsApp completes the review. Now let's talk about what can trigger this review. One of the most common reasons is using WhatsApp in a way that goes against its policies. For example, sending spam messages, joining suspicious activities, sharing content that violates the platform's rules, or using unofficial versions of WhatsApp, such as modified APKs. If WhatsApp detects any of these activities, your account may be placed under review. That's why it's very important to always use the official version of WhatsApp and follow the platform's guidelines. Now, let's go through the steps you should take. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for WhatsApp. Make sure you're using the official WhatsApp Messenger published on the Play Store. If you've installed any unofficial or modified version of WhatsApp, uninstall it and switch to the official app. Once you're on the WhatsApp page in the Play Store, check if there's an update button. If there is, tap it and update the app to the latest version. After the update finishes, open WhatsApp and sign in with your phone number again if needed. If you've updated the app and you're still seeing the account in review message, don't worry, there's one more thing you should do. Go back to the WhatsApp page in the Google Play Store and scroll down until you find the App Support section. Tap it, then open the Support email option. In the subject field, type WhatsApp account in review. Then write a short message explaining that your account is currently under review. Be sure to include the dates shown on your review screen and your WhatsApp phone number so the support team can identify your account more easily. Double-check that all the information is correct, then send the email to WhatsApp support. After that, you'll need to wait about 24 hours while WhatsApp reviews your account. If your account follows WhatsApp's terms of service and no violations are found, your account should be restored automatically once the review is complete. And that's it. Those are the best steps you can take if your WhatsApp account in review message won't go away. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials.